you see the blue sky? Mm-hmm. I was watching that creep slowly and slowly up. Like,
so the clouds are coming, or are they going?
No, the clouds are going. Clouds are going. That blue skies keep getting bigger and bigger. When it peaks right here, it's gonna be like a perfect day. Birds are gonna be whistling.
Oh.
Everything's all flushed and green. Everything's gonna feel the sun too. Molly, if you could see, all the way down there, there's the line right there. Goes all the way down past those trees right there. Huh, Molly? Huh. Let's go investigate. She's a good girl. This is where I've been trying to get the dogs to do what they're doing. Atta boy. There's our Dexter boy. Yeah. It's a good boy. That's a good boy. Picture that line way out there. That's just a huge storm just came through, rolling through here. That's where all that darkness came from.
Yeah.
And then we had this front of blue weather, and it started way out there. And it creeped its way out that way. Got that line right there. Goes up all the way across. All the way out to there. A good time to take the drone out right now. Yeah.